Take a quick look at the 1Me microphone lavalier mic. This is wireless, so if you ever see any of my acoustic videos or product videos, the #1 mic that I use is this one right here. All right, so you just take this part out. There's a clip right there. This clips to wherever you're going to be needing it. Mostly I do voiceover, so we can just clip it to the shirt. And here is the part that you need to know about the connection. Here's USB-C in, right? Or if you have an older phone like me, like the iPhone that I have right there, you just put this adapter on it like that, and it comes with the adapter and all that. And then once you have that, you just connect it to your phone right there, and then you're ready to go, ready to start doing your recordings. And you just simply turn it on, wait for it to light blue, and then now you're ready to do your voice or record your videos however you want. No drivers are needed. It's really just plug and play, and it sounds great. I always get a good sound from this little lavalier mic.